I wanted to create the look of a dining room in my open concept space. I worked with Westlake Royal Building Products and used their products for this project. Since the product I used was the reversible one, there's a look at the back of it. I measured my wall to see exactly how much product I needed. I calculated that I needed 14 panels for my project. I didn't have to cut my beadboard at all. I wanted the 9-foot height as part of my design, so I was able to use the pieces exactly as they were. I marked my starting position and then made sure the first piece was plumb using a level. I worked from right to left, so I made sure the tongue side of the panel was to my left. Using a nail gun and 18 gauge nails, I secured the panel to the wall. Since the tongue part was on my left, and that's where I was securing it with the nail gun, that got covered up completely with the next panel. The seams fit together perfectly, and it was easy for me to continue adding panels. The project went by super quickly. The product I used for the main part of my wall was product model number 9734. I love the ease that the PVC trim and molding provides. I was really excited when Westlake Royal Building Products sent the materials, and I loved the feel of the products. They're sturdy, and I was looking forward to using them. It was time to finish off my right-hand edge. I used a 1/4 round. It fit absolutely seamlessly with the beadboard. It was exactly the same depth, and so it looked like a perfectly finished custom piece. The other great thing for me was that the length of the 1/4 round already came in the exact same length as the beadboard. For the top piece, I used a wainscoting cap. The reason I used this here was that it fit right over the beadboard and gave a wonderful finish along the top. In a matter of just a few hours, I was able to create this beautiful accent area. Now I could clearly get a feel for the distinctive space between the dining and living room areas. Using the beadboard this way really allowed me to express my own style and bring attention to the height of this wall. I love the fact that it's made of PVC, so it's extremely durable. There was no denting or scratching, and it's extremely easy to clean, which works well in a busy area like this one. Thanks to Westlake Royal Building Products for sponsoring this video. Check out the link in the description to shop the products used.